Welcome. On this video today we're going to set up your clock. We receive a lot of calls asking how to set up their clocks for their time zone, and we're going to proceed with that right now. What I want you to do is grab your remote control for the GeoSat HDVR 3500, and we're going to hit the menu button, which is located right here. Aim it at the receiver. You will get this menu right here. We want to go directly to the settings, so in that case we need to use the blue button for settings. Press the blue button aimed at the receiver, and we're going to proceed down to the time settings, which is right there. So press the down arrow located right there, and this is all on the GeoSatPro HDVR 3500. Make sure you're using the GeoSatpro remote control for the receiver. The television's remote will not work on controlling your receiver. So once time setting is selected, press the OK button. And do we want the auto mode or do we want the manual mode? We can select that by pressing the OK button one time and selecting either manual, so we can set the time ourselves, which most times I recommend that, because unless you receive a tone from satellite, it won't change. So let's go to manual mode, and let's go down to the date, which today is the 7th. Let's press OK, and see it prompts up a little rod right there on the bottom, a little cursor on the bottom. So we want to scroll to the right using the remote one time, and today's date is the 1st of August, so that's still correct. So if you need to change that, all you have to use is the number pad on the remote control to change the date and time. We'll scroll down to time. Now we're at Pacific Standard Time and we're 10:48 a.m. so I'm going to proceed to add that on there. This is set up for military time so that you can record programs if your receiver does have internal memory. If it doesn't, give us a call and we can set you up with a SD card, or if you want to go ahead and just pop in a USB hard drive, you can do that on one of the USB ports. We've covered that in another video. So now we'll go ahead and press the OK button on the remote control right there one time, and then I will proceed to enter the time using the number pad right here. So it is 10:49 minutes and 15 seconds. I'll press down, and we are now set up correctly. In order to save and exit, we just press the exit button on the remote, which is located to the right of the navigating buttons. Press exit and then exit again, and the time is 10:49 on August 1st 2019. That's it for this video. I hope this was helpful, and if it was, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Here's another little bonus for the clock setting. If you decide to go on automatic mode, which you select here by pressing the OK button and scrolling up to OK and pressing the OK button, you will now have to go to time zone. Now remember, if you're on daylight saving times and you're ahead an hour, you need to accommodate for that. If you're behind an hour, then of course it'll be minus. So right now the time is 3:17, so that'll be 1500 hours. So if I click on the OK in time zone, it will bring me out. It'll bring me down to the settings. I am 8 hours behind the zero time, which will mean -8 because of daylight saving time, not -7. So now it shows that it's 1400 hours. But if I go on to daylight saving times and I select on, it'll put me right on 1500 hours, which is perfect, 1416. So now that concludes this section of the snippet. If I hit exit, we will see that the correct time is being displayed. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share.